Hello, everyone. All right. During my last YouTube live on Tuesday, which I do on my other channel, I was talking about how online sellers who do handmade need to have a YouTube channel or just something, yeah, a YouTube channel for your business. And there was a legitimate question asked later because a lot of people don't think of YouTube as being a good way to get people in front of your products, but it really is. And the question was from Jenny, and it was, what kind of video would one make for a product that's more than just a picture? Now, I think that this probably comes from the idea of like a video that you put on a listing, which is just pictures of the product. And it's usually short. You can't really talk about the product. And it's on Etsy, it's 15 seconds or less, and there's no sound. So you get kind of wrapped up in that idea. But there are a lot of ways that you can do videos. And I'm going to use this mug as an example because if you have watched this channel for any time, you know that I love this mug. This mug was made by a member of my program, and their business name is City to Cottage. They make handmade ceramics. It's not just mugs. They do sugar bowls. They do plates. They do bowls. They do big soup bowls. They're really nice. I have a black and white spotted spoon rest that comes from them. Everything has polka dots on it. I don't know if they do other patterns, but the polka dots are really cute and they come in a lot of different colors. So he, he's a ceramicist. He makes all this stuff. His studio makes it, and he sells these on Etsy and Amazon. And I don't know if they have their own website. I'll look it up and I'll put all the links in the description so you can find these if you want. But this mug, I've had this for years, and if you've watched this channel at all, you've seen it. So I'm going to be drinking out of this a lot on camera, and I have some latte in here right now, so I'm being very careful not to spill it. But you can see that this white is the original color of the inside, and I literally have had this for about 8 years. So it keeps the color, and it does get, like, you can see there's a T mark there, but if you really get in there and scrub it and put some elbow grease in, it comes right off and it looks brand new after 8 years. It's a large capacity. I love this mug. And I basically just did a video about this product without using pictures. I just talked about it. It's not a review. You can't think of these as a review. This is the difference. All right. So if you think of a review video, someone saying, I really like this mug. This is great. And that's kind of what I just did. But I also talked about the maker and I talked about the other things that they have. And this mug was just an example of the types of videos that you can make for your products where you're not really reviewing your own products. You're talking about them, you're talking about the features, you're telling people about it. And I am an Amazon influencer, which I think is the stupidest name, but whatever. I don't know who I'm influencing, but there are two types of videos on Amazon. There are review videos that customers upload, and there are what they call shoppable videos, which influencers put on our Amazon storefronts. They're not reviews. They're just showing the features of a product. They're talking about it. They're describing it. They're giving you an idea about things that you might want to know before you buy it. For example, does it clean easily? Yeah, this is 8 years old. Okay. So that's the kind of thing that you can put in a video about your products that's not a review. And I know that people don't want to go in and review your own stuff, but it's a shop. Think of it as a shoppable video, and that's what they call it on Amazon. And it's a good way to get people to see your stuff online. You can put your business name in the title of the video, which is good for SEO. You can write a good description. You can link to your products. YouTube is an excellent place to get people familiar with your brand and to send them to wherever you want to send them to, whether it's your website or Etsy or Amazon or whatever. So that's it. This does not need to be longer than that. And that's the thing. The shoppable videos don't have to be long either. They can be 1 minute, they can be 2 minutes. I'll put the link to my Amazon storefront in here in the description of this video so you can go look at that if you want. Some of my videos are longer and edited, and some are going to be like this, where they're shorter. They show the product, they talk about it. And once I'm done telling the features or telling what I like about it, it you don't need to go longer than that. There's no time limit that's specifically for that. So I just wanted to respond to that because I think that people are afraid to do videos on YouTube. You also don't have to be on camera. I'm comfortable being on camera because I've done it for so long. You can just have a camera, like a top-down camera where you're looking at something and showing people. You don't have to be on camera yourself. And also on YouTube, you can turn comments off. People do not need to comment on this kind of video. You can put the information in the description to send them to where you want them to purchase, but you don't need to have comments. So if you're uncomfortable with that, then there are ways around it. So that's it. Leave me any questions and I will talk to you later.